Welcome back to Kamsi Space. Today I'm going to fix a very simple pastry in this kitchen. I'm going to make a popular Nigerian scotch egg. If this is your first time being at our channel, you're highly welcome. And thank you so much for subscribing. And to all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. So let's get started. So the ingredients for this scotch egg recipe: 10 sausages, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 7 eggs. These eggs are parboiled. 4 cups of breadcrumbs, and unboiled 2 eggs. So first I'm going to start by washing my hands. It's very, very important to always wash your hands. So first, you boil the eggs, but I've already boiled these eggs. You all know how to boil eggs. Get a pot, add butter, put the eggs, allow it to boil. It's very easy. So now I'm going to peel these eggs. Now set it aside. Now I'm going to grind the sausages, but because I'm using this, I have to cut the sausages. Now I'm going to put it inside here. Now I'm going to put salt and small seasoning, because you know it's not all of them. Now I'm going to blend it. I'm grounding it. Now I'm going to add small flour. Now mold it with your hands. Take some and mold it into a bowl. Flat. Now add the boiled egg inside and cover it. Make sure the sausage covers the egg. Like this. And the same for the others. Yeah, a scotch egg is ready. See how easy it is to make at Try it, you will love it. Show the inside. See? Delicious. I know you love this video, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like and share. Remember to always do the bell icon on so you'll be notified when next post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!